we have number 6 here. You're going to generate the first 5 terms of the sequence from the following explicit formula. So the first one, we should probably just translate it into if it's arithmetic or geometric. So this one is an is equal to a1 plus the common difference, parentheses n minus 1. Remember, they're always like putting the common difference in front of n minus 1. So it looks like a1 is equal to 10 with a common difference of 5. If we want the first 5 terms, let's start with the first term, which is 10. Then for us to get to their next term, we're going to add that 10. So it becomes we're going to add the 5 because that is the common difference. So that becomes 15. And we're going to repeat that again to become 20, 20, then 25, then 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these would be the 5 terms of the sequence: 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. B. Same process for B. You should probably grab the formula right here. We'll put it right under it. So now we can define what they are. So the A1 term is negative 0.5, and the common difference, it is 4. So here we put our first term, negative 0.5. To get to our next term, we add that common difference of 4. All right? So just use a calculator. Negative 0.5 plus 4, that gets you a positive 3.5. Again, we're going to add 4 to get to my new term of 7.5. Then same thing. This gets us 11.5. And we have to do one more because it says 5 terms. 15.5. Okay, so there you go. Right, this would be all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms of the sequence. Next, this one is actually geometric because the n minus 1 is in the exponent. All right, so an is equal to a1 parentheses r, which is the common ratio, is inside the parentheses, to the n minus 1. So a1 is equal to 5 with a common ratio of 2. So here it seems like we started with 5. Then to get to our next term, we multiply by the common ratio of 2. It becomes 10. We're going to repeat this pattern of multiplying by 2 to get 20. We do that again to get 40, then 80. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. These are the 5 terms of the sequence. So don't forget to put the parenthesis, the comma, dot, 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 because the sequence does continue. All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, this one looks exactly like question C. It does look geometric, so let's grab this right under it. All right. So now we can see that the A1 is equal to 8, and then the common ratio is equal to 1/4. All right. Here, A1 is 8, and the common ratio is 1/4. So here's 8, our first term. To get to the next term, we multiply by 1/4. Use a calculator, okay? 8 times 1/4 becomes 2. Again, times 1/4. This now gets you a half. I'm just going to put it in its decimal form, okay? This becomes 2. Then again, it becomes 0.5. Let's do that one more time. This becomes 0.125. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 terms, so we need one more. And the last one is 0.03125, comma, dot, dot, dot. Okay. Again, we apply the common ratio of 1/4 to get the new term every single time. Okay. Here are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms of that sequence.